Yogi Clan, good morning to you. I come to you today with a heavy heart. If you're watching this video, then this may be the last time you see me wearing this cut, this rag. I've been with this club for 8 years. I started in May of 2013. Our charter was established in February of 2014. There have been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. There's been a lot of good times and a lot of challenging times. And we as a charter have overcome a whole lot. We've gone through the battles, gone through the challenges, and I have developed a very strong bond with all of my brothers in my charter. You know, I have a saying of 4 equals 2. So our club believes in God, family, work, club. Club 4, family 2. At some point in time, those club brothers become your family. 4 equals 2. And that is a very true statement. And the men of the Dogwood Charter of Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club, Dogwood being North Carolina, have all become like family to me. I love them all dearly. And it is a very hard decision. But it's a hard decision that we together as a family have made. It's not just my decision. It's my decision and it's my brother's decision. In the words of Black Dragon and Says the Ghost and Wild on Twos and anybody who has club experience will tell you that first and foremost you're a man. And you need to remember that you're a man. And if you are being disrespected, treated like garbage, then maybe that club's not the place for you. And like I said, I've given 8 years to this club. You know, we founded many great things like Iron Saturday, the Orphan Run. We participated in the COC. Served as a board member on the CMOU. And many of us just feel that Disciple Christian is not the right place for us to be at this time. I am not going to talk. I'm not going to throw rocks. I'm not going to throw arrows. I'm not going to sling mud. That's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is just to inform you I am no longer part of Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club. Myself and my charter have decided to lay our rag down. Now, there are things that I refuse to let go of, like the Orphan Run and Iron Saturday. Those things are part of my life, a very part of my life. And I will tell you that Dogwood will continue to be Dogwood. We will continue to do what we do in North Carolina. I'm not fully sure what that looks like at this moment, but we want to continue discipling men daily in word and prayer and supporting the 1% world in prayer. That is our mission statement. That is what we adopted when we decided to join Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club. That is the mission statement we still continue to this day to live by. And we will continue to do as Dogwood because we are Dogwood Strong. That's our saying. We are Dogwood Strong. We will rise above. We will continue to remain Dogwood Strong. I don't know, like I said, what that looks like. But we are not done. We are not giving up. We will continue the core basic principles that were put before us that we all accepted and agreed to. The things that Disciple Christian was founded on, we will continue to do. We will just do it under a different flag. That is my goal. That is my push, and that is what I'm going after. There's so many good things about Disciple Christian that I support. And I want to bring those good core values, those good concepts, those good principles, and keep doing them because they work, and because they're good, and because they make us good men. They make us accountable to each other. They make us strive to be better fathers, better husbands, better employees, better friends, and better brothers. And I thank all the brothers in Disciple Christian who have put into me, all the Marcos. If you're not familiar with Marco Polo, it's an app on your phone. It's kind of like a texting app with video. It's pretty awesome. So for all those who have sent me Marcos, all of those who have poured into me and who I have poured into you, my love for you will never change. I will not be dropping anybody from social media. At least probably not anybody. There may be a few. I believe the man makes the patch does not make the man. So we'll see who sticks. And we'll see who goes. And those who go, we never had brotherhood in the first place. Those who stay, thank you. I put a video out about that probably about a year ago about people leaving the club. Never did I think it would be me. Didn't think this day would come, but you know what? Things I've seen lately, things I've heard lately, the disrespect I've gotten lately, I'm done with it. I am a man first. I put a lot of time, work, and effort into this, and if you can't honor that, and you decide to disrespect me because you have some kind of chip on your shoulder, some kind of jealousy against Dogwood, then maybe you should look in the mirror. That's all I gotta say, Yogi Clan. I thank you for your support. This channel will go on. This channel will continue. But some things may change. But we will still keep wrenching. We will still keep doing MC Monday. Well, probably not doing MC Monday tips because we just stopped that. We'll bring them back in the winter. And, you know, we'll see where that piece of my life goes. Maybe there's some more good stuff that we can bring you about MCs. Well, we will keep plugging along, Yogi Clan. I thank you all for your support. I thank you all for the views. I thank you all for being there. If you are new to this channel, I'm kind of sorry this is, you know, not a video I really wanted to put out there, trust me. But if you're watching this, then take a look. It's the last time you'll see it. Love you guys, and I thank you for support. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.